Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mir Nizamuddin from Group GMM 28 Semester 4th. Today my presentation is drugs affecting on reproductive system. There are two reproductive system, male and female reproductive system. Male, the organ of male reproductive system produce sperm and deliver it to the female reproductive system. Female, the female reproductive system produce eggs and provide a place of new human to grow and develop before birth. Male reproductive system have prostate gland, seminal vesicle, penis, vas deferens, testes, scrotum, urethra. Female reproductive system have fallopian tube, uterus, ovaries, cervix, vagina, inside view. Gonadotropin releasing hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, releasing hormone is a hypothalamic decapeptide stimulate of synthesis of both luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone within the anterior pituitary gland and their secretion into the blood. A male reproductive system A male who has reached puberty will produce millions of sperm cells every day. Each sperm is extremely small, only 0.05 millimeter long. Sperm develop in the testicle within a system of tiny tubes called seminiferous tubules. A man produces sperm every day, but a full sperm regeneration cycle is spermatogenesis take about 64 days. Female reproductive system. An egg is normally fertilized by a sperm cell in a fallopian tube within 9 days. The fertilized egg moves down the fallopian tube into the uterus. It then attaches implant to the wall of uterus. After the fertilized egg implants, the growing placenta start releasing HCG into blood. Some HCG also get passed in the urine. HCG can be found in the blood before the first menstrual period. This can be as early as 6 days after the egg implants. From 150 million spermatozoids, several thousand only reach the place of fertilization to fertilize the single egg. The rest of them die. Mitosis. The male and female reproductive system is served for continuation of human reproduction. Human reproduction is any form of sexual reproduction resulting in human fertilization. It typically involves sexual intercourse between a man and a woman. Mitosis. Fetus, infants, adolescents, adult. Meiosis. Sperm and egg. Zygote. Drug affecting on male reproductive system. Classification. Androgens. Danazol, testosterone, methyl testosterone, brand name, Danacarine, Androderm, Depotestosterone, Strands, Androgel, Fortesta, methyl testosterone, Testrade, Virillion, anabolic steroid, oxandrolone, oxandrine, oxymetholone, anadrol 50. Penile erectile dysfunction drugs. Alprostadil, Cavarject, Muse, Sildenafil, Viagra, Revesho, Tadalafil, Cialis, Adcirca, Vardenafil, Levitra, Staxine. Androgen. Danazol is a synthetic steroid derived from testosterone. This medication is used in women to treat pelvic pain and infertility due to certain uterus disorder, endometriosis, and also used in both men and women to treat breast pain, tenderness, nodules due to certain breast condition, fibrocystic breast disease. Capsule 50 mmg, 100 mmg, 200 mmg. Parental dosage no. Half-life 3 to 10 hours. Side effect: essence, decrease in breast size, weight gain, oily skin or hair, flushing, sweating, vaginal dryness, burning, itching or bleeding, nervousness. Testosterone, primary hypogonadism, congenital and or acquired, testicular failure due to conditions such as cryptorchidism, bilateral trosin, orchitis, vanishing testes syndrome, or chytomy, Klippfelter syndrome, chemotherapy or toxic damage for alcohol and heavy metals. These men usually have a low serum testosterone concentrations or gonadotropin above normal range. Enteral doses: capsule 158 mg, 198 mg, 237 mg. Parental doses: half-life 8 to days. Side effect: ascend, decrease in breast size, weight gain, oily skin or hair, flushing, sweating, vaginal dryness, burning, itching or bleeding, nervousness. Anabolic steroid: oxandrine is indicated as adjunctive therapy to promote weight gain after weight loss following extensive surgery, chronic infections, or severe trauma, and in some patients who, without definite pathophysiologic reason, fail to gain or to maintain normal weight to offset the protein catabolism associated with prolonged administration of corticosteroid, and for the relief of the bone pain frequently accompanying osteoporosis. Enteral dosage: tablet 2.5 mg to 10 mg. Parental doses have not. Half-life 9.4 hours to 10.4 hours. Side effect: geriatric patient treated with androgenic anabolic steroid may be at increased risk for the development of prostatic hypertrophy and prostatic carcinoma. Anabolic steroids have not been shown to enhance athletic ability. Penile erectile dysfunction drug: sildenafil, Viagra. When sexual stimulation causes local release of NO, inhibition of a phosphodiesterase type 5 by sildenafil cause increasing level of CGMP in corpus cavernosum, resulting in smooth muscle relaxation and inflow of blood to the corpus cavernosum of penis. Is a mass of erectile tissue that lies along the underside of the penis, is located before the pair of corpus cavernosa, which contain 90% of the blood volume during a normal erection. Side effect: enteral doses 50 mg. Parental doses not. Half-life 3 to 4 hours. Side effect: flushing, warmth, redness, tingly feeling, headache, dizziness, abnormal vision, blurred vision, change in color of vision, sleepy problem, runny nose. Drug: estrogen, estradiol estrase, estrogen conjugated CES primyrine, estrogen esterified manest, estropipate, orthoestrogen. Progestin, desogestrel, Cariva, Seclesa, drospirenone, Yasmin, Yaz, etonogestrel, Implanon, levonorgestrel, Myrin, Plan B, medroxyprogesterone, Provira, norethindrone acetate, igestin, norgestrel, Ovreti, progesterone generic, Olipristal, Ella. Estrogen receptor modulators: Riloxifene, Evista, Tormifine, Forestone. Fertility drug: Cetrorelax, steroid, Cetrotide, chronic gonadotropin, Corex, Prophecy, Pregnile, Clomipene, Clomide, Folitropin alpha, Gonal F, Folitropin beta, Follistim.